Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to LUNC Classic update. Today we've had no progress at all, and we are trying our best to see if LUNC Classic can do something, but we're just inside between this range, inside a very big falling wedge right now. If there's any progress, it's on the 4-hour time frame. We're just making some small greens, some things like that, and the new investors are just going to be interested to buy the green candles, basically just going to actually fall into the trap of getting that green candle right there. So this is what normally the new investors are going to be doing, some retail investors I'm talking about. But when it comes down to the institutional investors, you got to look for so many different things. I'm just going to go again into the weekly and tell you what's going on. So this is what's up, right? The falling wedge. Okay, very big falling wedge, and I got my eyes on this falling wedge. Like, when are we gonna get all the way above 11,129, and then break above here, back test 9,000 or 10,000, and then we push all the way to the upside? So yeah, that's number one, and we are approaching probably the end of this one. So let's see how this slide is going to play out. So when did we start the downtrend? We started the downtrend ever since September 2022. Now that's a long time, and I remember covering LUNC Classic back last year when it was red hot, like boom, right over there. A lot of people are watching the video during that time, and right now it has pretty much been boring, and a lot of people came in here, and some people are actually walking out here. They walked out right there. Many people are walking out right here, and many people are going to be losing hope right there. And I do expect a little bit more downtrend, and we have more people stepping out, because this is where people are going to be afraid, right? Dumb money steps in, smart money steps in there. Make sense, right? Dumb money moves out here, and the dumb money moves in right over here. Another simple, very simple logic. And let me not ignore the diamond hands, the real people with diamond hands who are holders, hodlers, hold on for dear life, right? Now, I do see a lot of progress with LUNC Classic across the different blogs and stuff like that. So I do hope that we're going to get something out of LUNC Classic, and LUNC Classic is going to be looking good in the next coming couple of weeks, potentially. That's just my own idea right now that I'm looking at. But anyways, let's look at the monthly time frame as well, because the monthly is flashing a little bit green with some spinning top. But unfortunately, as I told you before, you do have 3 black crows. So this one green candle is always a follow-up of 3 black crows. But unfortunately, this is your flag right there. So we're looking at, once again, the trend line takes from probably this area from the top there to that bottom right there. Yeah, and you have LUNC Classic coming all the way down here, 4,448. This is where you do have one support. Probably come down, make this one big bottom, second bottom, try to move to the upside. The thing with falling wedges is that normally you're going to see falling wedges doing something like this, coming down, and down, right? So maybe by August you're still on a downtrend, right? So if it took time from last year, September, until the time of August, I mean, makes sense, from September until June right now, you're still in a downtrend. So why not wait until August, potentially 2 more months? After 2 more months, which now is 1.5 months away, because June is in the middle right now, you come down here and you extend the falling wedge, right? You're going to be reaching the end of the apex. And by the way, that decision is going to come by the end of the year, right? Or maybe the start of the next year. And all you do is you go down to the technical target, which is this one right over here, make a fake out of the falling wedge, and then just pop to the upside. Absolutely. So for me, that's why I always keep on saying that, wait for a break of the wedge. Wait for the break of the wedge, because that's the better thing to do at the moment. And that's all, guys. I don't know what the 3 months data is showing, but the 3 months data also have 14 more days to close, and you still have a 3 black crows. Yeah, so on a higher time frames, it's still being pushed down. There's a heavy burden on top of the shoulders of this coin that is going to be a little bit hard to look at. Well, on the 1-year data, also, once again, a little bit of a negative candle right there. So who knows, man, by the middle of 2024 or something like that, that's when we can have Lunar Classic to start to make some better progress. I don't really expect 2023 to be any good, not only for Lunar Classic, but for any coin out there in the world, honestly. Like 2023 can be said that is a buying opportunity more than making any moving opportunity. Maybe somewhere in 2024 we're going to have a good market, hopefully. So that's it for this update on Lunar Classic, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.